Welcome to this video on VFDs versus soft starters. We will explore how to choose the right motor control strategy for your industrial and commercial applications. A key challenge in motor operation is managing the inrush current and mechanical stress that occurs during acceleration, which is referred to as the motor starting problem. Soft starters reduce voltage using Silicon Controlled Rectifiers, or SCRs. The main goal is to reduce mechanical shock and limit the starting inrush current, focusing only on the start and stop phases. Benefits of soft starters include a lower cost, especially for high horsepower motors. They also offer a smaller footprint and simpler wiring, as shielded cable is not needed. VFDs convert incoming three-phase AC to DC, then use pulse width modulation to create a simulated AC wave with variable frequency. This provides 100% control of motor speed, torque, and acceleration throughout the operating cycle. VFDs offer unmatched energy efficiency for centrifugal loads like pumps and fans by reducing speed instead of using mechanical throttling. They also allow for precise regulation through built-in PID control loops. Comparing starting currents, a direct online start can reach 600% full load amps. A soft starter reduces this to 300% FLA, while a VFD provides the most cushioned start at 100% FLA. In a side-by-side comparison, soft starters have a lower cost and minimal energy savings, with speed fixed at base speed. VFDs offer full speed control, significant energy savings on variable loads, but a higher cost and high harmonic distortion. In critical applications, soft starters are ideal for water utilities to avoid water hammer. VFDs are great for HVAC systems to track demand and save electricity, and for conveyors to prevent belt slippage with smooth ramp-ups. The affinity laws show the potential for energy reduction with VFDs. For centrifugal pumps and fans, reducing the speed by just 20% can cut power consumption by nearly half. The installation workflow involves selection, determining the load type, then mounting, considering heat dissipation. Wiring requires shielded VFD cable, and finally, tuning involves setting full load amps, ramp times, and skip frequencies. Effective motor control, whether with a VFD or soft starter, improves motor lifespan and reduces downtime. Always refer to the manufacturer's wiring diagram before energizing any system.